Holy moly, you guys, it is a beautiful day. What is this? Alright, here we go. What we have here is a 2008 model WR250. The customer reported that it is knocking whenever it's cold. However, I can't even turn the ignition switch on. What the heck, you guys? Oh! Hey, look at that. Alright. Cool. Alright, the fuel pump primed. I heard it. Let's see if there's coolant in this thing. Yes, there is coolant. Peek at the sight glass for the oil. It has some. Alright. Okay. Brake light switch isn't attached. $27,266 miles. I wonder, do you have to clutch this to start it? Or let's just hit the button and see what happens. Oh, okay, there we go. Alright, that's not great. That's not great at all. But we knew that going into it, that it's not great. So, next thing to do is tear into it and see what we got. So, let's tear into it and see what we got. Okay. So that's less than ideal. I don't guess those are important. And this brake hose routing leaves a little to be desired. Let's see. Got a lot of stuff zip tied here, which is fine. I love zip ties. Heated grip controller, pretty cool. I took the bike back down off of the jack because I need to take the skid plate off. And I started taking the skid plate off, and then I stopped to clean. So I got these two bolts out, and there's a couple more bolts under here. I'm just going to pull those out real quick. I sprayed everything down that I think I'm going to have to remove with penetrating oil. That's loose. We'll set this aside. Looks like a little bit of oil on the drain plug, but otherwise no leaks. Seems fine. Let's go ahead and drain the oil and see what we're looking at. I'm assuming that the oil was changed recently because I mentioned finding some metal in the oil. Yeah, this is, you can tell that this is brand new oil. I don't see anything in it yet. You can see some very fine sparklies in here. Very, very fine. But overall, clean oil. Clearly hasn't been in there very long. Alright, I skipped ahead here a little bit. Felt like just working and not trying to record everything. But anyway, I have the majority of everything taken apart here in order to get the engine out of the frame. Last piece of the puzzle, had to go buy a 22mm socket because I didn't have one here at home. So let's get this swing arm out, swing arm bolt. Okay, we didn't even need the shear bar. There she goes. Well, hello. How are you? Cool. And with that, the engine is free. All right. All right. And there she is. Little bitty baby. Alright. Cool. Well, time to start taking it apart.